I'm going to show you the world's only collapsible stand that we've designed to make moving your brake anywhere to any job site quick and efficient. It's as simple as lifting up your brake, pulling 2 levers on one end. Once it stops at the lowest setting, you can move your brake easily and effortlessly with a single person. When you're in the position where you want to be, bring it up to a little bit higher, walk to the other end, lift up the brake again, and you're ready to use your brake. So our design is so compact that when the collapsible stand is in storage mode, you only add 6 inches or 12 centimeters to the brake. And we've also designed a lock thumb screw on our wheels, because when you're moving the brake around, you want to be able to roll it. And whenever you're in storage, to prevent it to roll, you just simply screw the thumb screw. Our collapsible stand is easily adjustable. You can start at a minimum height of 30 inches or 75 centimeters. And in a matter of seconds, adjust it anywhere along that height all the way to 42 inches in height, 106 centimeters, by simply pulling a few levers. This ensures that the brake is suitable at the perfect height for every user. Another advantage is that each leg is fully independent of one another. Obviously, no construction site is ever perfectly flat, but you want your brake to be level. So having full control over each leg independently allows you to ensure that the brake will be level every time. Our collapsible stand is very strong. It can hold up to 1,000 pounds or 500 kilos. So this is our brake stabilization platform, which is a necessity if you're using our collapsible stand or sawhorses to bend heavier gauge material to prevent the brake from tipping over. So the beauty of the stabilization platform is to ensure that the weight of your body is used to prevent the brake from tipping over, ensuring that 100% of the force goes into bending the material, such as this 26 gauge steel, as opposed to trying to tip the brake over. And at the end of the day, when you're ready to put your brake away, simply tuck in the tie rods down underneath the platform, insert it in the brake, and you're ready to bring your brake away.